Okay, I was going to show this ROM for the Samsung Galaxy Tab 2 7-inch. And it is CyanogenMod 10. It is a nightly build. It's not 100% complete, but it might as well be. It's a very functional ROM. Has a lot of stuff. I tried to make this video before, but somebody made a phone call, and I was a little too confused anyway, so I probably won't change, but I figured give it another shot. So as you can see, it's very fast. It's Jelly Bean. I do not think. Yeah, I'm quite sure there is no Jelly Bean officially for this chab. What the frig? Anyway, tab. And I've not heard of any updates that are going to be made available. I'm trying to remove the lines from the screen so you can see easier. But yeah, it runs very well. It's only a nightly build. But yeah, so they had a demo of it before, and I couldn't keep that on here because it wasn't functional enough. But this is very functional. I would definitely keep it on here. It has, I'll show you the info on the tab so you know it's, God damn it, about tablet. So then you see this is the, let's see if I can zoom in and still keep the sharpness. Probably not. And of course I am right, I can't. So there you go. So you can see this is the tab. GTP3113 is the Galaxy Tab 2 7.0. And there's the kernel version. And under that is, well, actually, oh yeah, Android version. There you go. I missed it. Is 4.1.1, which is Jelly Bean. And there's the little build date over there. So yay, build date, build number. And yeah, so that was released for this, and it's really cool to have a ROM for this with an operating system that's kind of not really available for this tablet, and I don't even know if they're going to release it for this tablet. Not sure if anybody said anything, but I haven't checked actually. So far, everything that I normally do with a tablet, I can do with this tablet, and there's a few little minor glitches and some features that would be nice to be able to have. Like, I like the infinite scrolling of screens, and that doesn't seem to be here unless I'm missing it. But I looked, I don't think it's here. There's things like this right here. If you see in the middle are the back button, the home button, and I don't even know what that's called. But that's to close apps. That I would love to see these three buttons be here where it originally is in the stock ROM, because that's very convenient over here in the middle of the screen. It's a little harder to reach if you're holding the tab like this. Let's see. Other than that, I mean, seems everything is here. I'll go through the settings and try to show you some stuff. I'm not going to tell you that I know everything about what's in here because, you know, some of the stuff I have no clue what it is, so I'm just going to show it. Here's the launcher. You know, we have the home screen stuff, grid size, home screen's default screen, vertical padding, and I think all of it works. Yes, I've used all of this stuff, and this works. You can get rid of the search bar that's on top, the Google search bar. Change your home screen. Yeah, I've used all these settings and they all work. Why did I do that? And let's come back here, and I just accidentally clicked on the lock screen. But yes, the lock screen has all these fun little things. You can put a calendar on there. You know, you have your slider shortcuts, so if you wanted to add an app, you want to slide directly into an app, you can do that. Oh, I just burped. It was cool. And yeah, you get battery status. You can change your wallpaper for your lock screen. You can have you know, screen security, so if you wanted to make some pattern to unlock your tablet, you can make a middle finger, be like fuck you, boom, and then it opens up. So it's really cool. Then quick unlock. I use a pin, whatever. I don't really use security stuff. I don't, I don't have anything on here that I'm like so nervous somebody's gonna find. And yeah, so I mean, if I have any porn on here, I'll let you know about it. Actually, I have definitely viewed porn on this. It is cool. It's a great porno device. Anyways, yeah. So, and there's not really bloatware and crap on here as per usual. You get your space available. I'm not an understanding of the space because it says 8 gigs on the box, and then I see 4 on this thing, and I'm like, what the hell? I don't know. I want to shoot myself in the head, but whatever. Yeah, and that's with the free space, by the way. So that's the one thing that I'm like, what? What do you mean 4 gigs? Unless it's telling it to me wrong, like my Nexus 7 tells me the wrong space, so that, I guess that might be the problem. I have no clue. Yeah, so I just got out of the settings for absolutely no reason because I haven't even finished showing them. System, the themes, wallpaper, power menu. You can add the screenshot, reboot. You can take it away, profile switcher, whatever. You can change font size, wallpaper. Notification drawer. I think I'm going to shut that off. I hate it. Oh, the power widget. Whatever. I don't know. I forgot. Who cares? I don't know. Then there's the battery. It shows you how much battery power everything's using, and of course the screen is using the majority of the power as per usual. So you got profiles, locations as the usual, accessibility, developer options, where you can do all this fun stuff that I have no clue what it is. So there's USB debugging. I have that selected. That's good. Yeah, so this is what's in here. You can show your touches. So if you're having touch screen problems or something, you can make sure you see if it's accepting your touches or whatever. Or you can just draw on the screen. Be really cool. Show GPU is, yeah, there's all this stuff and I have no clue what it does. And there's forced GPU rendering. Enable traces. Not sure what that does. Is that you can trace on something on the screen. And you can end background processes in different ways and stuff. I already went in here. So yeah, but everything seems to function well. All my apps work. I have I have all these games. See, there's also this. I'm going to show you. I showed a video on how to do this. We have, what is it? I'm half dead. Gameloft game that's kind of popular, or fairly popular. Modern Combat 3. See, it took till I saw the this screen to actually remember. So yeah, and it's functional. You can play. It actually looks better than it does on the Nexus 7. It actually has better graphics. And it's not even compatible, so I do have the Nexus 7. It does not have these extra effects on it, so that's really cool. It looks a lot more realistic. But yeah, let me get rid of that. And I have some other stuff like NBA Jam. You can also get anything, but that's a video I already made, so I'm not going to get into that too much. And yeah, so I'm not sure what else to say about it. What else do we have? It's fast. It's got settings. It works. One thing I'm going to show you. Here's one thing. This is not too horrible, but let me reboot it. I'm going to show you the boot screen's a little on the choppy side, and it probably could use some adjusting. Things I would like to see is like the infinite scrolling, these buttons being placed over here. There's, I think, some features that Cyanogen Mod normally has that that aren't quite here yet, and they're fairly nice features, but I would like to see them, and I can't even remember what they are. But yeah, it's great. So it does get a little choppy, but it wasn't so bad that time. maybe it's not as bad as I thought. I mean, it does stop right there and hangs for a bit, but it's definitely been worse. So there you go. And it gives you that little fun notification. And let me open into the camera. Boing. And it's not working. Okay, so there you go. There's one thing. I didn't know that, but the camera is not working. No functional camera. So I have to add that on there. And now that I'm in the camera, I don't know how the hell I'm supposed to get out. Okay, there's no buttons anymore. Yeah, so there you go. There's a little thing here. There's no way. Oh, you know what? I'm half retarded. The camera does work, I think. Yeah, the camera works. I'm retarded. It's just that I have this thing up against this, which is, you know, the reason why it doesn't work. But how the hell? Oh, ignore what I just said. The camera works fine. I'm a moron. That's the problem. The problem is that I'm an idiot, and I'm an incompetent idiot, and that's it. And I think I showed you the fun little drop-down thingy, and telling me that I purchased stuff. What else is new? Apps killed. I killed some apps and tasks. I'm gonna get arrested. Anyways, and as you can see, it's partly cloudy. Or mostly cloudy, not partly. Oh, it does look okay. It was nice outside before, but no, not anymore. It's horrible. Terrible. The sky's falling.